The fashion industry has become a critical component of the Nigerian economy, creating jobs, promoting creativity, ingenuity, and culture. Rebased GDP figures for Nigeria show that the fashion industry contributed 0.47%. That's about 380 billion naira, certainly a viable subsector that needs to be fully harnessed. However, one of the challenges in the fashion industry includes structural issues, lack of a sustainable market locally, and capacity to compete at the global level. Fashion shows help create interest among the public to spread awareness, especially fashion enthusiasts, about new arrivals in design and style. These shows also help to draw attention to latest designs and trends. To further spread this awareness, key fashion houses put together fashion shows and awards in Nigeria's commercial capital. Fashion brands, including high-end fashion retailers, enthusiasts, influencers, designers, and entrepreneurs, were called upon to come and show their designs in order to get people more interested in the industry. The stakeholders are contemporary fashion brands that aim to bridge the gap between Nigerian fashion brands and the international market. Stakeholders here say they are strongly committed to the growth of the economy, especially the fashion ecosystem.
If you have a fashion house, of course, you're going to eradicate poverty. Unemployment will not be there. You have to give it to them. I wish our government will really support them because these people are really doing well. Because by the time they open their fashion houses, you see them employing a lot of youth. That alone is something that you cannot take out from them.
There's a lot that the fashion industry can contribute to the economy. If you look at the worldwide statistics, we have over 1.5 billion in the fashion sector as capital that you can quote in the fashion sector worldwide. So if Nigerians and the government can look into what bringing out an every platform that people can key into, a lot can be improved in our Nigerian economy.
How are these benefits in terms of capacity building and networking? They strongly believe in quality and standard, and that is why they have decided to support.
These days you see an attire like this thing, like what I'm wearing right now, you see an attire like this and you're like, is this native attire or something? So what I would say about fashion is we've really taken fashion to the next level. Like we're trying to make this look international, we're trying to make it look so attractive, we're trying to make it look comfy.
Fashion shows and awards attract several visitors from within and outside Lagos, including investors, sales agents, manufacturers, business representatives, potential customers, and those seeking joint venture partnerships in the fashion industry.
What's you want? Rosé, champagne?